Hey guys, welcome back. ZRP time. So we're gonna install this. So it's gonna be simple. And 18s and 19s, and should be able to take everything apart. So let's get this thing started. Start staking them off. The 19, there's only the one in the middle. And the rest are all 18. Let's start it off. So top one, grab on the other side right here. 18. Loosen it up. Bottom one is 18 as well. So we grab on this side here in the bottom. There we go. Grab your 18 here. Loosen it up. And then back away. Pull the one bolt out, and then 19 for the one in the middle. So, get right here in the middle. There we go. Okay, so everything's loose on this side. So, and back away. There we go. Top one. Top is 18, bottom is 15. That's it. These ones got washer inside and out. So, where's the other washer? Still inside. For the center one. And the center one is this smaller nut here. You got that. All right. Here's the bigger one. Goes in the bottom. So that's middle, bottom. Here's the top. And let's see if we can. Won't come out. Grab a flat screwdriver. And pull it out. There you go. Grab your other nut. Put that aside for now. So that's sorry, bottom, top, middle. All right. Now nothing's holding there. We put a jack stand underneath again. Well, I don't know if it's going to do anything, but all right. So now the middle, 18. We remove the plates, but all right. Yeah, I know, no latex gloves. Yeah. But anyways. So with the knuckles, you're removing one of these on the one side inside there. You gotta take one of these off. So there we go. So I'm putting the adjustments at the top because then you can adjust without taking anything off. I've seen some pictures that people put them at the end, but I believe they put them in the middle. So you guys know now that this end goes in to that end. So what we'll do is we'll just time lapse the whole thing. You can see me put them all in and everything, and then I'll just explain at the end. So pretty simple. Alright guys, so put all the bars on. So we got that done. So we're going to tighten the bars. So 18 at the top, like I said, 18 at the bottom. Alright. 19 in the middle. What I find to hold that nut in there is tape up the end of it. Put your nut in there with the sticky part and it holds it in place, and then you can place it and then start the impact for the 19 nut in the middle. And that's the best way to do it, I find, every time. I already got it on there, so now I just need to tighten it. Alright, what I found was it was easier to put in the end. Didn't matter which way you started, start with the end. The only thing I found was where the knuckle is to line it up. So you take a long screwdriver and you just straighten it out so it fits in there and whatever, and then jerk on it and then hit with a rubber hammer to get the bolts in if they're hard to get in. And then put the bolt plate in, put the pull plate. So I just tightened these so they wouldn't come off and they hold in place. So now I'm going to take them off. And hopefully it stays lined up. And this way here the plate just goes in. That's what I'm trying out for, to tighten it all down. And with the knuckles and everything in place and everything, because I see a lot of people in videos and everything, they struggle with the plate in the middle to line it up. And let's just see, by tightening everything real tight and everything lined up, if this will just slide right in. That wishful thinking. Let's see if it works. Let's start at the bottom. Okay, we got those lined up. Middle ones are lined up. Where's the sockets for this thing? So basically jacked one side to try to push them out to line them in. So I got the two top ones, the two middle ones lined up, and a big screwdriver, and you kind of, oops, it didn't grab. So basically just trying to grab this on the threads here, so that way there I can pry the bottom and get the bottom in. I got a couple threads on, I think. Maybe not. Yeah, it's not as easy as it looks. Getting the bars was easy. Maybe I shouldn't have put the ends on, put the middle. I could have jerked them all into place, and that would have made it easy. But I found that it made it easier to put them back in. So, anyways, I'm just guessing right now. This is the only one that's left to line up. So, almost. See if I can get the middle one started. They're in the hole. I imagine if I throw the impact to it, it should slide in. I'll let it do with my socket. Had it 2 seconds ago. Boy, I'm bad. It's been a long day. Had a socket that I was using to screw in there and 2 seconds ago, and it couldn't have went far because I didn't get off this chair. Alright, so I'll try slowly. It came in on that side. And it came in on that side. So let's start them off by hand. Everything's tight. All right. Let's see if we can get this one started. That's nice looking. That's very nice. All right, so time to put the wheels back on, and we'll show you what it looks like. I'll wipe off my grease that I put everywhere, the access, and I'll give you a nice little view of it at the end. All right, see you in a second. Well, she's done. Check this out. pretty sweet. Yeah, so basically wasn't too bad once you figure it out, and you just play with the middle to adjust it with a big screwdriver and just line them up. And if you need to jack one side up to push it in a little bit to the other side, that's what I found was the best. But yeah, I'm happy with it. It looks pretty sharp. I like the high clearance. Everything's pretty sweet there. Like, yeah. Oh yeah. She's nice. And she's stiff. There's no play and nothing. There's no noise. There's no nothing. Everything is back tight as hell. So thanks for sticking around and watching this with me. And yeah, it's a little project there. It's more than 15 minutes. Taking it apart was really easy, but putting it back together was the centerpiece. And I put grease everywhere, and I was greased up like crazy. So do that if you want. Don't do it if you don't. I just find that anywhere where metal and metal ruts together. But yeah, guys, keep subscribing, because when we get to the 1,000, I get monetized. I'm giving a prize to thank you guys for helping me out to get there. So we'll catch you on the next one. And next one's gonna be ZRP again. Yeah, ZRP again, another thing. So check around and stick around, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now. Be safe.